I'm Aiza and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
Hi guys! Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's video, we're gonna unbox a Kitchenaid 5 quarts professional series, or yesterday, and it got delivered today. So, okay, it's a Kitchenaid Professional 5 quart mixer in a color of ice blue. So yeah, I will just remove this outer box, and if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to be updated whenever I upload a video. Okay, so this is the box, and it says Kitchenaid Professional 5+ Bowl Leaf Stand Mixer, and this is the color that I got. And then I'm just showing you the box, and this is the side of the box. It says it says stainless steel bowl for up to 13 dozen of cookies, and bowl leaf design raises and lowers the bowl and provides sturdy bowl support of mixing heavy ingredients. And there's over 10 optional attachments. And this is the other side, and this is the other side. I am so excited, so I will just go ahead again and open this. Okay, so when you open the box, you will see this paper that show you which attachments, accessories, and then there's bowls and beaters. Yeah, this is so cool. And then there's like information, like they said, like, congratulations on your new stand mixer purchase. And this is just like the instruction thing. Oh my god, I'm so excited. And there's this registration slip that I'm gonna read later. And the first attachment that I'm gonna get is this dough. Oh my god, it's so cute. And then on the side is this instruction that I'm gonna really carefully read later, because you have to admit it or not, most of us just really don't care about this, but for me, this is really important. And as a first-timer user of this Kitchenaid, I might as well keep this. Okay, and I will just go ahead and remove this because it's really big and heavy, and I'll be back. Flat beater hook, and this is a spiral dough hook, and we're gonna just oh my god, this is so nice. I have this icy blue, and max watts is 525. And yeah, so all you have that's my quick and easy unboxing, and I hope you guys subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm gonna use this Kitchenaid mixer for my upcoming vlogs to make breads, to make pies, and everything. So yeah, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thank you so much.